Hi team, this is another video demo. So this time we will be testing rebuilds if the date has been specified for the rebuild. So this is how you should input the rebuild. So it the URL receives parameter date and then format is year, months, and then date. So in my test users, we are basically doing the same test that we did before, except that all dates have the same. I mean, all my test users have the same next delivery date, which is today. So 20 should still be deactivated. 84 4185484 would be approved, and then 85 is declined with no rebuilds yet for this month. And then we will not be using 86, so let's get to 87. And then 87 should also be declined with having wherein this user has already been rebuilt once this month. And then 88 is not going to be used. 89 will also be declined, and it has already been rebuilt twice this month, so once declined again, it should be moved to next month, and times decline should be 1, whereas user ID 20 should be deactivated. So let's try that one out. Okay, so I'm gonna run the script. So as you see here, the date has been specified. So the expectation here is we will only have one approved transaction, which is from customer 84. So let's run the cron. And I have 1, 2, 3, 5 active users. So as you've seen here, 85 and 87 are under failed. So if we check 85 and 87, these are those two users. And then so for our first user, it is now deactivated, and then second is moved to the next month since it is approved, and then third one is declined. So the declined transaction added 1 to months declined, and then um, for user ID 87, which already had been rebuilt once, month decline should now be 2. And then lastly, the other one that previously had 2 month declines now has 1 times declined. And next delivery date and delivery date are moved to next month. So let's check the transactions. So I only have 1 approved and the others are failed transactions. So we will check that again in the gateway. So let's see so this is the summary. So 1 approved, 2 failed, um, deactivated, and then moved to next month. So Summary. So first is let's check the totals. So 276 at 80, 165 at 27, 826 at 43, 174 at 88, and then 123 at 91. Then this one is the only one approved, so that's correct. So let's look for CTF 1492, 4, 5, and 6. So let's log in. So first is transaction 1492 with amount 276 at 80. So 1492 276 at 80, and then 165 at 20, 826 at 43 for 494. 494, 826 at 43, and then for 95 174 at 88, 95 174 at 88, and then 1496 is 123 at 91. So all failed transactions which were using not a test credit card are all in the GPG gateway, and the correct amount has been charged, attemptedly charged to those transactions. So that's all for this video demo. Thank you.